In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write with Squarespace AI. If you've ever stared at a paragraph on your site and wished it sounded clearer, shorter, or more complete, Squarespace has a built-in AI tool that can help you fine-tune your text right where you edit your pages. I'll walk you through the exact process and share simple tips to get the best results. Start by logging into your Squarespace account. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser and make sure you're signed in to the account that owns or manages the site you want to edit. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From the dashboard, select the website you'd like to work on. If you manage more than one site, double check you're opening the correct one, especially if your pages or templates look similar. That way, the changes you make go exactly where you expect them to. Next, open the site editor by clicking Edit. This takes you into the visual editing view where you can work directly on your pages. Give the page a moment to load fully to ensure all editing tools appear. On the page, click into the paragraph or block of text you want to improve. You can pick a short sentence, a full paragraph, or any selection you want to refine. Then highlight the specific text you'd like the AI to work on. Highlighting helps the tool focus its changes so you get a rewrite that matches the exact portion you're trying to fix. Look for the AI icon in the text toolbar and click it. This opens Squarespace's writing options. You'll see choices like simplify, shorten, or lengthen. Simplify is great when your copy feels wordy or technical and you want it to be easier to understand. Shorten trims the text to make it more concise, which is perfect for headlines or sections that feel too long. Lengthen expands your idea, adding detail or context while keeping the original meaning. Choose the option that fits your goal and let Squarespace AI do the writing. In a moment, you'll see an updated version of your text right on the page. Read it carefully to confirm it matches your voice and intent. If needed, you can make small manual edits to fine-tune tone, specificity, or brand phrasing. When you're happy with the result, click Save to make your changes stick. Saving ensures your AI-assisted copy is preserved and ready for your visitors. That's it. Log in, open your site, enter edit mode, highlight your text, use the AI icon to simplify, shorten, or lengthen, review the result, and save. With these steps, you can polish your copy quickly and confidently, all within Squarespace.